All right, so area of a trapezium. Let's smash this out. Okay, so trapezium is basically a shape that's, think of a rectangle with a bit cut off it, or even a couple of bits cut off it. Okay, but what makes it a trapezium is you've got two parallel sides, only two. Okay, and that's a trapezium. Now, if you're looking at your formula sheets up there, okay, so there's your formula for area of a trapezium. You don't have to remember that. It's all there for you. Good to go. All right, so how do we do it? Let's have a look. So here's two kinds of trapeziums, just like we looked at before. How do you actually do these? All right, so first of all, you've got to identify the bits and pieces that you need. So the formula for both of these is going to be area equals a half A plus B times H. Now, you need to identify what's A, what's B, and what's H. All right, now here's my advice. If this is given to you on the test, write on the diagram. Actually annotate the diagram. Now, A and B are just the two parallel sides. Doesn't matter which one's A, which one's B, so long as you identify the parallel sides. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to call that one A and that one B. Doesn't matter if I get them mixed around, it's all going to be fine. Okay. H is the perpendicular distance, the width of it. So that there is H. All right, so now I just plug it into the formula. Area is a half times 3.5 plus 4.2 bracket times 1.5. Okay, and the magic buttons will do that all in one go. All right, so you go, a half is just 0.5 times, open the bracket, 3.5 plus 4.2, close the bracket, times 1.5, 5.775 square metres. It's area, so we've got to do the square metres. All right, moving on to this one, same concept. Let's identify A, B, and H. So I'm going to go, that one's A and that one's B. Now I know that they're going to be A and B because they are the two parallel sides. Okay, that one there is going to be H. But, and I've set this up specifically for this, you can't use a 98 there because these are meters, that's meters, you've got to get this to meters, so you need to convert that. Okay, and quite frankly, if you wrote like that on the diagram, full marks, that's awesome work. If you like doing that, then go and do it. Okay, but you've got to get it all in meters if you're going to get meters squared. Okay, it's all got to be in the same units. So now I just plug and play. All right, so area is a half times A plus B times H. Okay, magic buttons once again. A half is just 0.5 times, open the bracket, 1.3 plus 3.4, close the bracket, times 0.98. Okay, 2.303 meters squared. Done. Okay, that is how you do the area of a trapezium. Like I said, draw on the diagram. It's going to make life easier for you, I believe.